Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong China. Today we are sending a 5-ton complete biomass production line to India. This biomass production line, including 2 units of 55 kilowatt rotary crusher for petty straw, 2 units of 75 kilowatt hammer mill for grinding the materials, 2 units of 160 kilowatt pellet machine for biomass material like wood sawdust, like agriculture waste, and also the accessory equipment like the material storage bio-type silo 10 cubic meters, and 50 tons pallet silo.